Hello everyone, welcome to Melly's English Learning videos. Today, I'm going to teach you a fun fact about the simple present tense. I'll teach you how we can use the simple present tense to talk about future actions. So, let's give it a start. We can use the simple present tense to talk about future events that are fixed or scheduled. Here are some important points to remember. First, the events that we talk about are based on present facts, which is why they will certainly happen. Also, these events are something fixed, such as a timetable, schedule, or calendar. Now, let me give you some examples. Number 1, the country celebrates the Independence Day on Tuesday. This event is based on a present fact. Number 2, the plane arrives at 6 p.m. tomorrow. This one is a scheduled event. Number 3, the teacher enters at 10 a.m. This one is a timetable. Alright, this concludes our today's lesson. Today, we have studied how we can use the simple present tense to talk about future events. Thank you.